Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2017 Jaguar XE, and on this Jaguar XE we're going to go over where you'd find the fuses on this vehicle. So you've got 3 different locations of fuses on this vehicle, 2 in the engine bay and 1 in the trunk location. So the engine bay fuse box is, one of the engine bay fuse boxes is right here, where you have your jumper adapter. Now you'll just pop that cup there, then you have a tab to push here and pull up, and then we have access to some fuses and relays and our information panel here of what those fuses and relays run. So that's the first location, and that is right behind the air box on the right hand side of your vehicle / passenger side. And then as you come straight back up here, you have this cover, which you're just going to pop the clip, and then we have this cover here that you press and open. And same thing, we have an assortment of fuses here, as well as our sheet for what they do. And so then you have your reference sheet there to know which fuses you're looking for to potentially replace if you've got a problem going on. Now, whenever you replace a fuse, you're going to make sure that you replace it with the same size. If you take out a 10, put a 10 in. Don't put anything larger, because you can do more damage, because it blew for a reason. Now, sometimes they'll wear out and blow, but if you put a new one in and it blows, and then you put another one in and it blows, well, then you know you've got a problem. You got something shorting it out. So those are the 2 that are inside the engine bay. They're basically right behind each other. One on this side of the strut mount and one on the back side of the strut mount. So back here in the trunk, when you've got the trunk open, we have this little access cover here. We can twist the knob and pull that down. We have our little sheet here with all the information on it of what does what, as well as we've got this assortment of fuses here, more fuses up here for us to be able to look through and do some diagnostic if we need to, if we're having some other issues. This panel here is on the left side of the right side of the vehicle, the passenger footwell, and we have some more fuses here. So you just need to pop this cover, and then you'll have access to the fuses right there, and we have our guide of what the fuses operate. So if we know what we're looking for, we can work through here to find and check our fuses. And that is the fuse box location that is in the footwell on the passenger side. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.